Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about how to transfer your real estate with no probate, no trust, and no tax. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, as always, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, how to transfer your real estate with no probate, no trust, no tax. It is really quite simple. I will say though that this resource is not available in every state. It is available in many states, Washington, California, Texas, amongst others. It's called a revocable transfer on death deed. What this is, as I have been talking about, is an instrument that allows you to transfer your real estate when you die without having to go through probate, without having to use a trust, and with all of the great tax implications that come with transferring property after you die, namely a step up in tax basis. How does it work? It's pretty straightforward, really. It's a regular old sort of deed looking thing, except it says revocable transfer on death deed on it. Also note, you can revoke this, right? So it is a revocable instrument. After you create it, sign it, and record it, you can revoke it if you change your mind in the future. And then once you die, what will happen is your people that you've named in the deed will get a copy of your death certificate. They will record that death certificate with the Register of Deeds or whatever the county administration arm of real estate is in your state. And the property will basically just transfer it straight over to you like magic. So this is a good idea for many people, not all people, just like all of the other estate planning strategies that we use. So I would encourage you, before you go out and do a revocable transfer on death deed, that you talk to an attorney about it, just to make sure that you're doing the right thing, okay? But it is a viable alternative, and it is something that you will probably want to discuss with your attorney to see if it makes good sense for you. All right, I think that's kind of it. Oh, I can tell you about this. I'll tell you a little bit more. When is this a good strategy and when is it a bad strategy? A revocable transfer on death deed is not a great strategy if you have two or more people that you want to give the real estate to. The reason is each person is going to receive an individual interest in the property. This might sound just fine and dandy. However, if one person wants to sell the property and one person does not want to sell the property, now we have a problem on our hands. Often families with more than one child will do a revocable transfer on death deed to the children because they don't believe that they're going to fight. I can tell you it is not worth the problem of doing something else if you're going to be doing a transfer like that. So if you're transferring to one person, it's a great idea. Multiple people is typically not the best idea, because the only way to resolve that problem is to go to court or to have one person buy the other out. But if the person that wants to stay doesn't have enough money to buy the other person out, they have no real motive or no real obligation, no real motivation to do anything about it. So in that case, you may want to consider a trust or something else to be able to have your cake and eat it too. But something to think about, something to learn about, something to utilize in your estate planning strategy if it fits. That's why I wanted to talk about it today. Okay, that's it. Hope you like this. If you did, hit the like button, share, comment. If you have questions, let me know. And if you want to talk about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, that's it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.